In this video, I'll show you how to create Google Drive link to share files. This video is going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, when they say creating a Google Drive link to share files, what it means basically is for you to be able to create, let me say, a file or a folder, and you can be able to copy the link and share it to your friends and family. I don't know if you get that. So let's say, for an example, if you just created this, let me say, if I want to create a folder now, I can just type in, let me say, God is good. Okay. So this is a folder now, and inside the folder, I think you can be able to add up files, right? So let's say if you love to share this link, like let's say, like if you have uploaded something into this and you love to share it to your friends or to your family, you can be able to come on here and copy the Google Drive link. So so copy the link here. You can be able to send it to your friends or to your family. So this is basically how you can be able to do this. Let me know if you find this video helpful. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.